So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of you're not able to add the Apple account on your iPhone. Now in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, first of all, make sure to go to screen time, and here go to content and privacy restrictions, and turn this option off. Now come back again, restart your iPhone. I'm not doing it right now because I'm recording the screen. Now again, go to general, and here you'll see this option of date and time right there, and make sure that time zone is set to your region only, and your iPhone shows correct date and time. If it's not, set the automatically option off, and you have to manually set the correct location region for you, and that will definitely work for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.